Good morning, everyone. Have you all got your listening ears on again today? Well done. Who remembers what we've been learning about this week? That's right, our shapes. What shapes have you learnt about? That's right, our circle, our square, rectangle, and triangle. You're all so clever. Today we're going to learn about something really fun to do with our shapes. It's got a really funny name, so I want you all to make sure you're listening really carefully. Are you ready? It's called tessellation. What's it called? Good job. Now, tessellation means that I'll be able to cover all of my floor with my shapes so there's no spaces in between them and they don't move on top of each other. There are so many things that we see every day that make tessellation. Who can tell me what this picture is? That's right, it's a brick wall. What shapes can you see on our brick wall? Rectangle. Very good. Now, who can tell me why it's special? Why is it tessellation? That's right, because all of our bricks are next to each other. There's no spaces in between them, and they don't overlap either. Our next picture is something really different. You all know what this one is. A snake. Now, come closer, because I want you to have a look at what is on the snake's skin. Can you see any shape? Very good. They look like little circles, don't they? Do you know what shape it is? It's a hexagon. Can you see how they sit all next to each other? Nice and perfectly. What other animals do you think might have patterns or shapes on their skin? Good job. Do you remember what shape was on our snake? A hexagon. Great work. Can you see any hexagons in this picture? Who knows what it is? Bees. Very good. They're making honey. This is called honeycomb, and this is where the bees make all their honey. The bees are very clever because they've made sure their honey isn't going to spill anywhere. So all their holes are right next to each other on top, and they don't overlap. Now, who remembers what tessellation means? Very good. You're also very clever. What shape did our bricks make? That's right, a rectangle. And what shape did our snake have on it? Who remembers? And one more hard one. What do bees make their honey in? You are all so clever. I'm so glad that you've got your listening ears on today. Now we are going to do a really fun activity. Can you see all the shapes on your board? Do you think we'll be able to cover all of our boards with the shapes that we have? We've got some small triangles, some large triangles, and some squares. I want you to try and cover all of your board with all of your shapes so that there's no spaces. Do you think it's going to work? Let's try it. We're going to start with some little triangles. Now we're going to use some of our squares. Do you think maybe we could make a pattern with the colours as well? Now let's try some of our big triangles. Let's see where they might fit. There you go. We did it. We made a tessellation. All of our area is covered and there's no gap. Now let's see if we can have a little play around and do some other fun